Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Bananas are a staple in every home's fruit basket. Apart from many health benefits, banana is a very good natural ingredient for your beauty regime. If you have an overripe banana that you do not know what to do with, then use it to make the face packs I'm showing here in this video and get glowing skin. Banana and Honey Face Pack. Take half of a ripe banana, mash it and add a teaspoon of honey. Mix it well and apply with a flat face pack brush. Sit with this face pack for 20 minutes and then wash with tap water. Apply this pack once a week for glowing and softer skin. Banana and Avocado Face Pack. Both banana and avocado have a rich and creamy texture and help in moisturizing dry skin. Mash half a banana and half an avocado into a fine, thick pulp. Apply this on the face after cleansing your face. Cover your face with a damp cloth and let it sit on your face for half an hour while you take a nap. Then wash your face with tap water. This face pack will resolve your dry skin problem by giving your skin hydration and keeping it soft. You can use it every alternate day. Banana, Lemon, and Milk Pack. Take 10 drops of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1/2 mashed banana. Mix all the ingredients well and apply on your face for 20 minutes. Then wash off with tap water. This face pack is particularly good for oily skin. You can use it every alternate day. Simple Banana Face Mask for sensitive skin. This face mask is meant for those with delicate skin. Mash 1/2 a ripe banana to make this face pack. Apply this banana pulp on your damp face and neck. Leave this paste on your face for 20 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. This face pack helps to keep skin healthy and can be used regularly. Banana Oatmeal Face Mask for blemish-free skin. Soak a teaspoon of oatmeal in half a mashed banana for 5 minutes. Now use this paste to gently scrub your face in circular motions. Leave the mask on the skin after scrubbing. Once it dries, wash it off with warm water and pat your skin dry. This mask will help to remove blackheads and unclog pores and provide you beautiful blemish-free skin. You can watch many useful and interesting videos by clicking the links given in the description of this video. Subscribe to our channel for free to keep watching interesting and useful videos.